If your RAM usage is sitting at 70, 80, or even 90% while you're barely doing anything, Windows is probably running features you don't even use. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the Windows settings and background features that quietly waste your RAM, exactly where to find them, and how to turn them off safely. Don't worry if your RAM usage doesn't change immediately. After we finish all the settings, I'll show you the one thing you should do before checking Task Manager again. Let's start with the easiest one to check. First, let's find out what's actually using your memory. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape for shortcut. If it opens in the small view, click More Details. Now click the Processes tab, then click Memory to sort everything from highest to lowest. You will see the arrow pointing downward. This instantly shows you which apps are using the most RAM. If you see software you aren't using, right-click it and choose End Task. Don't just look at the app using the most RAM. Look for programs you don't recognize or software you forgot was running. Sometimes you'll find launchers, update assistants, or utilities quietly using memory all day without providing any benefit while you're working or gaming. Now, let's stop those same apps from loading every time your PC starts. Click the Windows button, then Open Settings. Click Apps, then Startup. You'll see every application that's allowed to launch automatically when Windows boots. Turn off apps you don't need starting with Windows. Every startup app reserves memory as soon as you sign in, even if you never open it. Over time, several small apps running together can use hundreds of megabytes of RAM before you've launched a single game. The fewer apps that start automatically, the less RAM Windows wastes before you even open your first game. Next, let's stop apps from running when you're not using them. Open Settings, then click Apps, followed by Installed Apps. Click the three dots next to an app you rarely use and choose Advanced Options if it's available. Scroll down to Background App Permissions and change it to Never. Not every app supports this anymore, but many Microsoft Store apps still do. If you don't need an app checking for updates or notifications all day, there's no reason to let it keep using your system resources. Another feature that quietly stays active is Widgets. Open Settings, then go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Turn widgets off if you never use them. Widgets keep checking for updated news, weather, sports scores, and other online information in the background. Even if you never click the Widgets panel, Windows may still keep the process ready, so it opens instantly when you do. If you never open them, turning them off removes another unnecessary background process. Windows also collects diagnostic information to help improve the operating system. Open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn Send Optional Diagnostic Data off if it's enabled. This setting won't magically double your performance. Optional diagnostic data allows Windows to collect additional information about how you use your PC and send it to Microsoft. Turning it off stops your computer from sending extra usage information, detailed crash dumps, and app activity, which can help in reducing background activity that can indirectly freeze up physical memory, stops random performance spikes, and gives more space to heavy apps. Next, open Settings, go to Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and open Delivery Optimization if it's available on your version of Windows, which is mostly Windows 10 and 11. Turn Allow Downloads from other PCs off. This feature allows Windows to share update files across your network, or depending on your settings, with other PCs. If you don't need it, turning it off reduces unnecessary background network activity and stops Windows from using your PC to help distribute updates. After making these changes, restart your PC. Once Windows finishes loading, open Task Manager again and check your memory usage. For many people, you'll notice fewer background processes and lower idle RAM usage because Windows is no longer loading features and apps you never actually use. Those are some of the biggest Windows settings that quietly waste RAM in the background without most people realizing it. If your PC feels smoother after making these changes, make sure to subscribe because I post new Windows optimization guides every week with simple fixes that actually make a difference.